My name is Ampim Dakum. I'm a mushroom grower. Mushroom growing is a specialized business. We were not having enough supply of ponds, the seeds for the production of mushroom. We have to travel all the way to Accra. Fortunately, SDF program came and my association benefited from the scheme. We were granted 96,000 Ghana cedis to train 60 of us. After the training, we can now produce ponds, seedlings, and this has actually increased our production levels to about 30%. Our profit margins to have gone up.
The Skills Development Fund, SDF, is an initiative of the Government of Ghana with funding from the World Bank and Danida to help Ghanaian firms become competitive. From now till 20th December 2013, SDF is requesting informal sector trade associations and farmer-based groups that require innovative skills and technology to submit their proposals for assistance. Visit sdfghana.org to apply.